So why did that work? Well, 3 reasons. 1, he used his podcast as an opportunity to talk to people that he wanted to build a relationship with. You cannot build trust unless you have a conversation with somebody. So he used his podcast as an opportunity to learn from people he wanted to have a relationship with. He used his podcast as an opportunity to hear what they thought about, to hear how they talked, to use the words that they used so that they could have shared language, shared understanding. The second thing that he did is because those conversations were recorded. And back then, it sounds so silly to say back then because we're not talking about like the 1800s, but back then, AI was not like a thing. But you could take that long form conversation and manually, you could turn it into other pieces of content. And what that did is it created a consistent message that was going out across all of his channels. And we heard earlier today that consistency creates trust. So he was consistently putting his message out there without people even having to ask. Now, because he was creating that short form content and he had guests on his show, guess what his guests did?